the KX News Storm Team.
Well, it is spring in North Dakota, and the first part of the week, yeah, it feels like spring. The end of the week, probably not so much, but nonetheless, severe weather season is right around the corner. The National Weather Service continues to put on the Skywarn training programs, moving around so everybody gets a chance to learn about severe weather and how to keep your family safe. Of course, it's a free program. Take the kids because there's some really cool photos. Tomorrow, it's going to be in Ellendale at Fireside at 7 o'clock, and on Wednesday, it'll be in Ashley at the Ashley City Hall, and that will be again at 7 o'clock. So looking southeast from the KX studios in Bismarck, just pretty cloudy sky, but overall pretty nice weather. 65 degrees, east wind is at 13 miles an hour. And in Minot, we're looking to the southwest, and the normal high temperature is 69 in Minot, and it feels like 59 east wind at 14 miles an hour. So here are a few other temperatures, and we've dropped into the 50s in a few spots, but most everybody's still into the 60s. Watford City, low 60s, 61. Hettinger at 66, and Ashley at 61. The wind is roughly 10 to 20 miles an hour in most locations, and actually closer to 10 to 15. So certainly not real windy, but it is just a tiny bit breezy out there. And this is the radar, and I can tell you from being out for a while tonight that it's really lightly sprinkling, but some of this is staying over an area for a period of time, so the ground does end up getting a little bit wet. But overall, this is nothing more than just a few sprinkles that seem to be continuing. So here's a look at our precision cast for 10 o'clock, and just a little bit still showing up here at 10 o'clock, and there may end up being a little more than that. And I will tell you that the radar that we just looked at, a lot of that's not reaching the ground because the air's so dry underneath the cloud. And then during the overnight hours, you see all those yellow areas there in the green. Those would be potential little rain showers. And then tomorrow morning, early in the day, might be a couple of leftover showers here or there, but more than likely it will not be raining when you get up tomorrow morning. And there could be a few little quick showers or maybe some thunderstorms during the day. And here we are at 5 o'clock, and it's showing a little bit to the west of Highway 83. Now earlier tonight, it had like 3 or 4 small little thunderstorms kind of in this area here. Now it's down to 2 and 1 up in, it looks like, Burke County. So yeah, the potential is there. We're not going to have a lot of thunderstorms tomorrow, but just don't be surprised if you're in western North Dakota and a little bitty storm pops up here or there. Won't be severe. Even that's not going to be severe. Won't be severe around Bismarck. But there might be brief little bit of rain there. So looking at the temperatures, 4 inches down, and comparing them to Friday, the temperatures have changed about a degree or 2. Of course, we've had all that rain last week, so really not helping things along, except for getting water or moisture into the ground. So next 72 hours for Dickinson, we'll see a pretty nice little drop-off from Wednesday to Thursday for high temperatures, and it is going to give us, we are going to have a good chance of rain Wednesday night and on Thursday. In fact, Thursday's odds are going to be higher. So tonight, 40s and 50s, and then 60s and 70s in the west tomorrow. So looking at the Bismarck 7-day outlook, these temperatures are going to cool off quite a bit, especially Thursday night, Friday, and Saturday. And I'm not forecasting that we're going to get a lot of snow, but we might get a tiny little bit of wet snow mixed in with the rain. Might kind of hang around on grassy surfaces for a little bit. Nicholas, not a big snowstorm, but still not a whole lot of people want to see snow right now.
No, and I'm one of them. All right, Tom, thanks very much.